Role of uterine artery Doppler and low-dose aspirin intervention on fetal-maternal outcome in low-risk pregnant women, a prospective study. Pregnancy-induced hypertension and fetal growth restriction are very common complications associated with pregnancy. UAPI may become an early predictor for complications, and early intervention may substantially reduce these complications. Role of uterine artery Doppler and low-dose aspirin intervention on fetal-maternal outcome in low-risk pregnant women. Prevalence of women with high UAPI in a low-risk pregnant woman. To study the role of aspirin in women with high UAPI. To compare pregnancy outcomes in women with normal UAPI and those with high UAPI started on aspirin. To establish the role of UAPI as a recommended screening test for improving fetal-maternal outcome. A prospective, observational, analytical study was conducted over a period of 2 years at a tertiary care hospital in western India. The present study was carried out on 64 low-risk, preemie, singleton pregnant women from the routine antenatal clinic at Ruby Hall Clinic, Grant Medical Foundation, Sassoon Road, Pune. Patients were divided into a study group and a control group. Study group population underwent UAPI measurement 11 to 13 plus 6 weeks of pregnancy along with routine NT-NB scan. Patients with high UAPI were given 150 mg of aspirin. Complication markers were observed and compared with the control group. Overall incidence of preeclampsia and FGR in study group is less. Preeclampsia in study group 12.5% versus 21.8% in control group and FGR 9.3% in study group versus 18.75% in control group attributed by prediction of fetal-maternal outcomes by UAPI value uterine artery Doppler changes and early intervention with low-dose aspirin 150 mg. While in the control group without uterine artery Doppler study and without intervention incidence of preeclampsia and FGR is on the higher side. Uterine artery Doppler at 11 to 13th week of pregnancy is instrumental to predict late onset complications and should be included in routine antenatal investigation irrespective of risk factor. Pregnancy-induced hypertensive complications and fetal growth restriction in patients with high UAPI can be reduced by low-dose aspirin. Introduction. Every pregnant woman deserves to have a healthy baby and remain healthy herself. Pregnancy complications are becoming more common due to today's stressful lifestyles. One serious complication is fetal growth restriction (FGR), where the baby doesn't grow properly, often linked to conditions like preeclampsia. Early detection is possible with a first trimester uterine artery Doppler test, which helps doctors see if the placenta is developing properly and supplying enough oxygen and nutrients to the baby. This early screening is vital to improve outcomes for both mother and baby. Conclusion. Based on the findings, the study concluded that uterine artery Doppler at 11 to 13th weeks of pregnancy is instrumental in predicting late-onset complications and should be included in routine antenatal investigation irrespective of risk factors. Pregnancy-induced hypertensive complications and fetal growth restriction in patients with high UAPI can be reduced by low-dose aspirin. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.